Welcome to the Raw Food Health Empowerment Show. I'm your host, Samantha Salmon, certified holistic health coach and author of You Can Afford to Be Healthy. And today, I'm outside of 365. I'm about to shop for some produce, just a few things to make some easy raw vegan recipes. And this is specifically for Womb Wellness Month. We're doing womb wellness in my private Facebook group. If you want to invite, you can sign up below for the 30-day raw vegan challenge. So let's see what I make with these ingredients. So in the first recipe, I'm using Gaia's Golden Milk Herb Blend, which I really love specifically because of ashwagandha is in it. There's a lot of great ingredients in it. Very clean product. But the ashwagandha I specifically like, especially for womb wellness, because ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb. And basically what that means is it helps the body respond to stress by regulating stress hormones. And of course, we talked about stress is not good for the womb, right? It's not good for a lot of things, our digestive system, everything. But since we're specifically talking about womb wellness, it's not good for our reproductive system, and it's especially not good if you're dealing with a lot of menstrual pain and PMS and imbalanced hormones and things of that nature. So ashwagandha I find to be very helpful because stress can show up in a lot of different ways, and so it just helps our body just kind of calm down basically and just deal with these stressors. Cucumber is very alkalizing, and it helps to neutralize acids and aid in digestion. Alkaline foods foster proper hormone balance and healthy menstrual cycles. One of the symptoms of menstruation is bloating, and parsley can help with this. I love to put it in smoothies, which I did in a previous episode, but here you can see how to use it to make a salad or a salad base with any cooked vegetables or legumes. Also, parsley has folate, which is important for a healthy pregnancy, and parsley balances hormones and can help prevent symptoms of PMS. If you're having issues with PMS and or painful menstruation, click on the link under the episode resources to find out the herbs that you can use to help alleviate all of these symptoms. Calcium-rich foods help to reduce menstrual pain and help regulate periods. It also plays an important role balancing hormones. Kale and all dark leafy greens are rich in calcium. So I've taken you through the raw recipes, how I did them for myself based on what I had in the house and the few ingredients that I was able to get from 365. I wasn't able to get everything, so that's why they were omitted from the recipe, but that's fine. It's still nutrient packed and nutrient dense and healthy, and that's what I want to convey to you all, is that regardless of what store you're going to, you don't have to shop at Whole Foods. Yeah, 365 is kind of like a subsidiary or a child of Whole Foods, but it's very limited because I think the concept is to have affordable options, so they don't have everything that a normal Whole Foods would have. Just like mostly their 365 brand and some select brands. So I wasn't able to get some things, but that's fine. And so do what you can with what you have, okay? As long as you're eating as high raw as possible and you're eating whole food, plant-based, then you should feel confident that you are getting the nutrition that you need to be healthy. And I showed you the raw recipes, which are mostly salads, and this is how I plan to change up recipe number 3 and recipe number 2 with the cucumber and avocados. I'm just gonna add some cooked items, and you'll see how I put that together with sweet potato and black beans, just to give it more volume, just make it more palatable for me. You know, salads are great, but sometimes I like to add a little bit more to it. So, you know, typically this is the time of day, either for a lunch or dinner, where I'm getting in the cooked stuff. There's certain foods, like I said, I only do cooked. So sweet potato and legumes tend to be cooked. Everything else tends to be raw. So this is how I make it.